With each advancement in technology, operating systems become more and more complex, capable of satisfying an increasingly higher amount of user requirements. In order to ensure stability and security, Windows is updated frequently so that users can enjoy the latest available features. However, errors can sometimes occur when upgrading various parts of the OS, and some functions can stop working altogether. In order to find out when and why a driver, program, or hardware component is malfunctioning, visualizing in-depth update reports through a software such as WUView can save users plenty of time and energy during troubleshooting sessions. When booting up the program, users are greeted to a minimalistic layout, featuring a top search bar for quickly finding the right update report, along with the list of logs that can be easily sorted by title, date, and result, depending on the user's preference. When selecting an item from that list, a detailed view can be accessed in the lower half of the program's window. Here, the user can read the update's description to find out its main purpose, the result code stating whether it succeeded in getting installed or not, and the Windows event log details in order to review the steps taken by the installer up until the end of the updating operation. Additionally, error codes are displayed as hyperlinks that take users to a reference section on Microsoft's documentation website, where the code's specific definitions can be found to give you an idea of what went wrong with the installation. If the description does not provide enough information, the specific update's knowledge base, KB, number is also offered in a hyperlink format that provides users with an official web page showcasing the highlights, improvements and issues resolved by the developers compared to earlier iterations of the operating system. Individual text segments can be selected and copied to the clipboard for those who want to search for specific bits of information online. Moreover, the entire list of updates can be exported to text or CSV file for archiving purposes, which can be necessary when reinstalling Windows and comparing update cycles. For accessibility reasons, the text within the user interface can be increased in size and a dark theme can be toggled on for a better nighttime viewing experience. In case the user has larger screens, the height of the rows can also be increased or made compact to display more update logs in the current list. In order to avoid repeated results, certain strings can be excluded from showing up, making it easier for users to find the desired elements when scrolling the update list. Finally, a log file can be opened to copy the raw timeline of the updates found by the program, which can be useful for those requiring a simple list of update references. Whether you are testing the latest versions of Microsoft's flagship operating system while providing feedback regarding stability issues, or you want to find out why or when a certain feature stopped working after an update, then WUView may be the right tool for the job. See you next video, and now some music.